Yo, what's good, dogs? Got another ripsquad tutorial. Know y'all fucking with these shits, bro. Appreciate all the love and shit. Especially for that last one I did. Got like fucking 8K views on it. But yeah, if you fucking with this shit, bro, I got the full beat posted on somewhere, bro. I posted that shit like a couple weeks ago or whatever. But yeah, bro. Fuck it. Anyways, bro, y'all seen the title. I'm about to show y'all how to do the 7 ever Lucy ripsquad beats again, cause y'all fucking love these tutorials, bro, and I love making these shits. I'm gonna let the preview right now so you can hear what it sounds like. Boom. Alright, so I mean, I guess we can start with the melody, verse melody. We got this dumbass shit. Boom, y'all hear this shit. Make sure I'm right. Alright. Now don't gatekeep. So whatever sound this shit is on, you know what I'm saying, on high too. Go find it, bro. This shit go hard. I had a little EQ, a little fresh share, little glitch, and I had a fucking gross beat on here. I just forgot what it was, and I'm too fucking lazy to put that shit back on there. So whatever. Second male or sound, I guess you can call it. Got this little ARP shit. Nothing on that one. This preset, you want it, just some simple shit. And then, oh shit, I only had two fucking whatever. I only had two fucking what do you call it? Sounds for it. Two melodies, I mean. So for the 808s, got a Bug Vinso 808. Nothing too crazy, you know. I don't know, bro, I might be tweaking right now, but it's definitely like off tempo. But who says your beats have to be perfect all the time, bro? Even if it's a little off tempo, it still flows like really good. So, you know what I'm saying? Crash. Boom. Gotta do this shit. Crash basically follows the 808. Yeah, I didn't do too much on this one either. So now this, I got the little, you know what I'm saying? What is this shit called? The Kingdom Hearts menu shit, I think. For this shit, I just put for the 808. Let me go back to the 808. Boom. Sausage. Dim. Nothing too crazy. For this one, sausage, convoler. For the little sleigh effect. Hi-hats, just a delay. Nothing crazy. Something bouncy. Same with the, what it called? Snares. I got, how many fucking snares do I got? Well, am I tweaking? I am. That's a hi-hat. Oh fuck, bro. I'm fucking tweaking on. Okay. I got two snares. I got this one. It hits twice. Then I got this one, the main one. Oh shit, I know I have it on. Then I got this like little, what do you call it? Some type of like, I don't know, something to give it bounce. With this type of beats, bro, I mean, this is not your traditional like Lucy beat. I guess you could call it like that because of the mel, but I really just did my own thing with the drums. So, and then over hat. All in all, drums sound like this. Just really bouncy drums. Nothing crazy. Oh, the melts together sound like this. Hold on. Let me get some water. Bro, I really should add another fucking sound. Cause I mean, nah. Bro, simple beats, bro. Simple beats always the move, bro. Like, not every beat has to be fucking crazy, you know. Sometimes you gotta let the artist just breathe. If you're planning on sending it out to people, like some artists like simple beats like this. So, shit. I mean, I guess that's it, bro. Not much to it. There's really no rules to this shit. You just basically need a fucking, you know, like a spacey melody type of shit, and like a lead, some high pitched lead or whatever. Excuse me. And some bouncing drums. That's all you need. But I'm gonna let this beat play out, and then I'm gonna call it. Alright then, bro. Yo, appreciate y'all for watching this shit, bro.